Hey guys, what's up? This is Adam here from Family Jewels, and today we're going to bring you another football card pack opening. So up on the chopping block today we have, first off, which we'll save for last actually, our 3 gravity feed packs of 2020 Prism football, a hanger of the Panini Playoff football, not a very popular one, but comes with 60 cards, so that's nice, and another fat pack of Absolute Football. I think these are called value packs actually. So let's get started. Rip this baby open. So today is the last day of football. I know the Steelers lost, so I think we'll be playing the Browns week 1. Any Browns fans out there? Any Steelers fans out there? Let me know who you guys got. So here's the playoff. It's rather large. Nothing, no like memorabilia cards or anything. So that's not. I don't know what to expect, honestly. I don't know if we're gonna get any autographs either. But it was $10 at Walmart. 60 cards. That's 30 cents a card, and that's actually rather nice for football cards nowadays. Where you're paying for these Prism cards are usually $1 a card or maybe less. So let's save the thick middle stuff for the end. Alright, let's see what we got. John Brown, Stephon Gilmore, Cortland Sutton, AJ Green. I kind of like the look of these cards. Hunter Renfrow, not the baseball player. Roethlisberger, pretty nice. Trayman Edmonds, DJ Clark, Chris Herndon, the 4th. Philip Lindsay, 2nd year. Sam Hubbard. Joe Namath. Is he still playing? Nah, just kidding. Tyreek Hill. Odell Beckham. Hunter Henry. JJ Watt. Xavier Howard. So not one rookie yet. AJ Brown. Here's a Max Crosby. Are these going to go upside down? Troy Polamalu. I really like that card. Devontae Parker. Stud. Raquel Armstead. We have a Brandon Cooks. Albert Wilson. Dwayne Haskins. No, 2nd year. Emmitt Smith. Here's our first rookie, Christian Fulton, followed by a Darnell Mooney, Daniel Hunter, Cooper Kupp, Anthony Miller, Mike Evans, Miles Sanders, Christian McCaffrey, DK Metcalf, Michael Thomas. He had kind of a rough season this year. Hope you guys didn't have him on your fantasy team. I ended up taking 3rd place. Had one bad week in the playoffs. Kind of stunk. Not even a bad week, just faced the one guy that had more points than me. So we're kind of rolling through these. That Alvin Kamara is nice. Adam Thielen. Alright, let's get into the better stuff. So these are kind of foil cards. Deshaun Watson, pretty nice. Thunder and Lightning. Clyde's Edward-Helaire and Patrick Mahomes. I'm going to put these in the good pile. Justin Herbert, rookie. Nice. Justin Jefferson, rookie. Nice. Randy Moss, rookie. No, not really. Jordan Love, rookie. Nice. Isaiah Coulter, Henry Ruggs III, Raymond Calais, Clyde's Edward-Helaire, nice. Jarek Willis, nice. James Morgan, okay. Carson Wentz. This will be the back of the pack. Curtis Samuel. And a Jalen Smith. So nothing Nothing too crazy in there. Let's get these out of the way. All right. Next pack. This is a value pack brought to you by Panini. Today is a Panini day. And I've said it before, I like these cards. Let's get the nice pile up here. All right. Looking for some rookies here. Travis Kelce, Anthony Miller, Mike Gesicki, Michael Thomas, Matthew Stafford, Stephon Diggs, Kyler Murray second year, Marlon Mack, green parallel. Who is this? Jimmy Garoppolo, green parallel, and a Desmond Patman. That's a green rookie parallel. We got Aaron Rodgers, Sean Alexander, Cole Kmet, nice. Jacob Eason, okay, Gross Matos, a Jerry Jeudy foil rookie, CD Lamb, that's pretty nice. KJ Hamler rookie, it's pretty nice. Denzel Mims and a Case Watkins. All right, and now the packs you guys have all been waiting for. Looking for some checkerboard parallels. We got 3 of these to open up today, so wish me luck, guys. There it is. Wow, first one. Kid Reporter card. A Rob Gronkowski. A Shaquille Griffin and Jamal Adams. He's with the Jets. Not bad, not bad. All right, still looking for a rookie Prism parallel. Green. They have green parallels in here. They have silver Prism parallels in here, and nothing crazy here. Let's get a rookie though. Ezekiel Elliott, Keith Brooking, and Kyle something. Last pack. I need to get a rookie quarterback. Don't care what kind. Green parallel. That is a rookie card. Nice. It's blue rookie too. Julio Jones. Let's go. Kenyon Drakes, Deshaun Watson, and wow, there it is. Amazing pull right there, guys. Please leave me a like. Please leave me a subscribe. If you want to see more of these pack openings, let me know what you want me to open. I got Pokemon cards, Yu-Gi-Oh, baseball. I don't have any soccer. And then anything you want, let me know. Please leave me a like and subscribe. Thank you. God bless.